Okay, I didn't throw that as far as I should have. Sorry. Is he here? Hi, baby girl. I know, you're so happy because it's snowing. You're just so happy because it's snowing. Did you find your ball? That's cheating. Where's he gonna go? Is he here? Are you getting tired? That's cheating.
Funny looking your students from the Middle East, I think.
Oh God, yeah. What is this stuff and why doesn't it go away?
I don't think they're as bad as puppies, but
No, they're like, I love this stuff. We can eat it.